Hey Rudy, thanks for having us. My name is John from Rave Mortgage, loan officer.
Jane, also from Rave Mortgage.
All right, so today we just have a quick conversation about financing. We talk about the two special program for our investors clients. So every Tuesday in our office, every Tuesday for the past 10 years, we've been hosting Real Estate Investors Club here. Right?
Okay,
so
very good.
share a bit more about what you told me about for our investors clients.
Well, we do have a program at Rave Mortgage, what we call a investors program. So what it is absolutely no income, no employment needed on this program. And it's a great investment program because we don't need to show any kind of W-2s, tax returns, pay stubs.
So you don't check W-2
We
pay
don't.
taxes?
We do not.
Okay.
Don't need
Okay.
at all. Don't even need to look and provide us.
What about FICO?
FICO, minimum FICO is 640.
Okay.
640, yeah. And this program is best, how it works is housing expense total, that's just for example, $2,100, covers the mortgage payment, so the rental, and will cover the housing expense mortgage payment, offsets it to zero, meaning there's no liability because rental income is investment. You have rental income. If it offsets the housing expense, we have that program available and it's a deal.
So as long as the income, the rental income cover the housing expenses,
Yeah, which is PI, principal, interest,
property tax
property
and
tax,
insurance,
and then home insurance. Yes.
and I put the down payments, then basically that's it.
Yep.
What
There's-
else you check?
I would say roughly around this down payment is 30%, right? 30%, 25 to 30%, depending on how the calculation is to work backwards to cover for the rental income to cover the housing expense. And the only thing we do need to look, because it's an investment everywhere, the assets needs to be seasoned for 2 months.
Right, so that first one is pretty powerful.
Okay.
That was pretty good. So if you're watching this to get access to homes, including homes that's not available on the internet before it's been posted online, call 626-789-0159. See, John, you understand. You work with a lot of real estate agents.
Of course.
And you know what real estate agents do, right? They are only showing homes
On the
to the
MLS.
buyers, homes that the buyers themselves already seen online.
Yep, that's correct.
Right. So think about it. If you're looking to buy these cell phones and there's more than one buyer who's thinking of buying the cell phones, what happened to the price of this cell phone? If there's 3 offers on the cell phones, what happened to the price? It's
gonna
a
go
simple
up.
supply and demand,
Yep.
right? So what we are giving access to our clients here, giving access to homes before any other buyers.
Yeah.
Right?
Awesome.
What else we have here?
We have a lot of different programs from
Yeah.
Stated for self-employed borrowers, 1-year tax returns. We can close transactions in less than 21 days. We have a lot of flexibility.
So this is for self-employed?
We have self-employed and we have it for wage earners as well.
Okay. So let's talk more about this one here.
Sure. You have a self-employed borrower. We're gonna ask for a CPA letter a CPA to write a CPA letter that they've been doing the taxes for the last 2 years. And another item would be we will be looking at their business and personal bank statements. We're gonna look at the deposits, and we're gonna take a look at deposits. If it's a business account, we're gonna average it over 2 months and use that as their income.
Right. The conclusion is this: why should I do business with you, right? Over and above people like Bank of America, Wells Fargo. There is nothing wrong with that, right?
No.
The reason we don't partner, because there's things that you can do for our clients. Like, what is it?
We came from the wholesale side,
Yeah.
broker side. We've been there. We also came from other large lenders as well. So we know our fulfillment, everybody's all in-house.
Yeah.
We're a direct lender. Our underwriters, processors, funders, we can walk there.
And the
talk to
programs,
them.
things like we talk about today, things like this, is not available.
It's not available, correct.
And the reason why is it not available? Because most of those banks, those are what's called, they sell the loans to Fannie and Freddie,
Right. That's
Versus what you guys, this is called the direct portfolio
Direct,
lenders.
yes.
Okay, so what's the best way? Well, the best way is this, right? First, you gotta have access to homes, including homes that's not available on the internet. So when you come here, meet with people in our team, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give you access to homes. In addition to homes that you see online, you're gonna have access to bank foreclosure, short sale, corporate owned, as well as homes before it gets posted online. And then the next step we're gonna connect you with John and Jen to make sure your offer get accepted.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
We're gonna
As
make
good
sure
as cash.
we're gonna make sure not that you can compete, but win against multiple offers, including cash offers. So when we talk about structuring your contract so your contract be more competitive, we are talking about, okay, if there's two offers, both of them 500,000, one is subject to financing and one is not, which offer will you accept? To request your free list of homes, including homes that's not available on the internet, call 626-789-0159. When you come here, then we connect with you guys and then
Yeah,
talk about this.
absolutely.
All right.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rudy.